son. See, so now, hot, so hot, but not like a certified diva, because right about now, me a burn up in the sun. Wagwan Berries, welcome back to another episode of Answer This. Right about now, as you can see, we are in the streets of downtown, where we are going to be asking people about the current state of Jamaica and this heat. Because trust me, the place at it. So I'm coming out the streets with me now, forward.
This is why we at. This is why we at. This is why we at.
Alright, so right about now we are here with
the heat that kill me to blood.
Savior! Monitor!
I'm gonna match my one near kid as a day of born. Watch on my old, I don't want to say the old woman I want naked.
Yeah.
Watch on my head like a mad woman. I can't do nothing to the head.
No, but what?
The way time the hot, bring me close wet.
Yeah, me feel the man wet for true.
Like somebody throw water upon me and nobody not throw water upon me. I just say eat.
But come here now, somebody look at me and tell me say them do little dugu in the eat for kind of taking their mind off.
That's that Joan me.
Life nice, then me could have want go 6 feet. You crazy no don't cut to the delivery.
The sweat that kill me. Cause when you do good in that time, sweat supposed to come up from me Sadia. I come in your face, so you're John. So I couldn't do good that. Only me have AC.
Yeah.
Only me have AC, no me do that.
Yeah.
I have no AC, so I have to just wait.
So hold on, you have AC but you have fun, right?
Yes, the fun have nothing to do with the heat. They eat, the fun for that they eat.
So hold on, somebody look at me and tell me say what them do, you know? Them tie a bag of ice to the fan so it can blow a cool breeze. You ever try that?
No, the first I hear that story there.
You would have tried it?
I don't think so. That's an eyeglass thing. That will take too long.
That would take too long.
Yes, that must have my fun.
So
I have to buy a new one.
So hold on, so what you do to protect yourself from the heat? You drink your water and them something?
You have to drink enough water. You got a lot of water.
Yeah,
a lot of water.
Yeah, man.
Drink water and mind my business.
Alright, so...
I know the heat is on, you know, I have vent right now, because right now I burn up. As me, watch out, turn over this right now. See that? I go wet up all myself. Oh no, I can't do it because I'm in my uniform. But the heat, it's hot, man, it's hot. It'll go on, down a turn. Turn up. You hear me, I want you. Turn up.
Alright, so I never get your name. What's your name?
Andrew.
Andrew, so you tell me about the heat now. So right about now, you have AC in your yard?
After, right now, speaking over this microphone, after.
You have AC in your yard, so what's the light bill like?
Oh God, man, it got it triple now.
Look at us. Huh? Who would have thought? Not me.
The bill high, sky high, triple.
So what you do for combat the heat? What you do other than drinking water? Come and say by what else you do?
Dogo.
I run too much joke here, man.
No, hold on, explain. I don't know what Dogo mean. Come explain to me.
Dogo, man, in the heat. On the roof, that's all about me there. You have to do it, because trust me, I don't know what else to do. The time hot.
Hey, me see you go on with your little self. I want to know how the heat make you feel, because I know say must hot.
Alright, the heat make me feel hot, but we know so hot from long time, you see me? We pass hype, we 3 hype right now, you see me? And right now we are black people. And you say if you can't manage the sun, go up on a plane.
Well, I know some here say where you can do a dugu, because when you dugu, it take your mind off for the heat. What you feel about that?
No, man, no dugu. Straight to deal with, you understand? Yeah, man, and when you have graph your sweat, you understand? I'm sure you so.
How about this? What that?
This make a can't come. I f*** deal with, no dugu.
Alright, thanks.
All size, all color, all shape to me up to some burger. Here's somewhere, you see this?
Alright, so we are here with
Jella.
Alright, Jella, I want to know how you feel about the heat. How the heat make you feel?
We have to find all kind of way of cool down ourselves. We use water with up all ourselves.
Yeah.
Wash your face so much time or we eat hot. Drink one lip of water. Big up my style. I pay water, me have everything I sell. I pay water, me have a sell. Only eat hot, me just sell water.
So you tell me about water now, but the water come out of the pipe. You think it cool or it hot?
The water in the pipe hot like I put it in a stove. My stove. Yeah, the water hot. All the morning time, night time, the water hot.
So how much time you beard more than half since the other day since you eat?
Yeah, man, you have to wash off. You have to wash off. Yeah, you go in, you have to wash off. Wet up yourself. Yeah. Go in there and make the fan blow up and you feel cool. Walk up and down all naked too. The way me hot.
Oh, what? Wait! Huh? Girl.
I see I have the young people them here. All the young people them are deal with the eat.
Why they eat but then get one will have a problem?
Yeah.
A pay trouble them give you.
I blew off, my friend.
Yeah. So you have ACR fan at home?
A fan me have my love. AC now go with not now.
So pre-style you know AC now go with not, but me a hear so where you can do a tire bag of ice in front of the fan. You ever try that?
Oh, when I put my liquor fan for me igloo, you saw?
Yeah.
Yes, and get the cool breeze from me. Yeah.
And that's how the style.
Yes.
Oh, okay. I see what you did there.
All right, so we are here with?
Yeah, man, a baba and one baba with that done, you know.
Yeah, one baba that done, you see? All right, baba, so what more want to know? How you deal with the heat? How the heater treat you?
Oh, man, boy, I tell you, the heater different. The summer, yeah, come like a different summer. Come at the sun, come nearer and nearer.
Near, far, wherever you are.
Me a burn up. Whoa.
Yeah, burn up.
Yeah, burn up.
So what more asking that the AC are no fun of your yard?
Yeah, man, my fan cold. I blow down your place, but to the sun, the summer, come here, there, we have a fan in your house. To the summer, you come here, there, we have to have 2 fans and 3 fans. 1 fan now can't work, you have to have the AC. You see, you have to come and go outside, come buy the AC and the fan them. You understand? Yeah.
So what you do to deal with the heat other than turn on your fan?
What I do? I have to just throw beer water upon me. When I do, I have to wet up, so I have to beer.
What's up with that?
So a little birdie tell me, so what you can do a tire and a bag of ice to the fan. You ever try that?
No, I don't know about that something they do. I never tried that something there.
So would you try it?
No, because it's not going to work.
No.
So I interview a man earlier, right? And he tell me saying that the eater, when him do a kind of do go forget the eater for mine. So
No,
you do
man,
that?
it's make him worse, man. So him not sweat. Him not hot.
I don't know, I should have asked him.
No, you should have find out that. No, because I'm not lie. When I do my work, you know, I'm sweat, you know.
Yep, that's me.
You will sweat too. I'm not lie.
All right about now, we are here with
Joanne.
Joanne. I want you tell me everything what you feel about the heat. Just cause. Tell me how it make you feel.
Night I can't sleep. Me use the fan now work. Me go to the door, it worse.
It's too much.
It bad.
So Joanne.
Water can't cool me.
Water can't, so the water will come out of the pipe. It hot or it cold?
No, it just cheap like a fire.
But John, you tell me about fan. You don't know AC in your yard?
No, me can't buy AC.
Yeah, because I like bill.
The light be too expensive.
Where me I go get it? Tell me where me I go get it from.
One man tell us if you put one on the
One
fan.
bag of ice, bunny.
So the ice, you ever try it?
No, I don't want to take a sour cream. Okay.
What more ask you, John? What you do for protect your skin in the heater? What you do?
Well, to be honest, I'm not too rub, you know. Because the rub and the heat, no agree at all.
So you usually rub before, but you stop the rubbing because of the sun?
Yes, I don't want it to, but my body's crack up. I'm too young, I know.
All right, so we are here with
Tisha.
Tisha. Hey, Tisha, you sound like you have one cousin name. So what me I gonna ask you if you do? Pretend that I am the sun and I'm here cause all of the heat here. And why you tell me what you said to me as the sun?
They ask the son why wicked so, because the son very, very hot, man. Me I tell you, me drop down all out here with the sun.
I lie, what happened? Explain how it happened.
Alright, me sit down, see when something, I just find cold sweater, so wash me so. And me drop right I go and one lady come take me up and put me where they sit down and somebody buy me a Malta. Me just get, I may have to take off and I feel like me I suffocate.
Yeah.
Like my breath has stopped. The sun very, very hot, man, ignorant. So me say at the wickedness we are going on earth, make the sun hot so. So them can't blame Father God, they have to blame the wicked people, them and the wickedness we are take over the land.
So Tisha, when did you drop down? Sorry for here by the way. Did you have the umbrella?
No, me never have the umbrella at the
Oh,
time.
so
Have one
in
hat
the-
over,
yeah.
have one hat over me, but like the sun I penetrate through the hat.
So you decide to get the umbrella now because the hat never that work?
No,
That never work, so I buy the umbrella.
So Tisha, you drop down, I like hear that man. So what you do right now for deal with the heat? Other than the umbrella, you drink your water and them something, let me know what you do.
Yeah man, I drink water enough man. Plenty water I drink. I come like each time I drink the water, like me not drink nothing because my body feel hot same way.
Yeah. Yeah, so Tisha, you have fan or AC and then something there, yeah?
Fan alone, me have an hotness that come out of the fan and no breeze.
Jesus.
I can't.
Alright, so we are here with
Mad Turbo, the girl motor.
Hey, Mad Turbo, the girl motor.
Alright.
One more and one. How you feel about the heat here right now in Jamaica?
Right now, when the time get hot, the girl them get fat. So you know me, I go want some of that. And that's what I think there. Alright, when the time get hot, the girl them get fat. And me, I go want some of that.
Yeah, man.
And that's what I think there. See you now?
Alright, so I see you there here. You say you sell battery rider?
Yeah, man, for the woman them. I sell battery riders and I sell jeans vans for $1,000. So get them, mother, get them.
Alright, so you feel so the girl them for buy the battery rider and the heat here?
They don't that them for buy. That's why them buy it now, them can track me more. Them can show them leg, and them leg coming like legacy. Alright. See ya?
So, me here say what you can do for deal with the heat at dugu.
Yeah.
So that you can take it off of your mind. You know, dugu for get rid of the heat or if you take it off of your mind?
No, man, it's when the time hot, and you have sex them time, they are the best time. Them time that you sweat out. Alright? Because when you sweat out are the best thing. It's when you can't sweat out, that means you're sick.
Yeah, man.
So when you can't sweat out, you're fit.
Alright. We are here with
Sasha.
Alright, Sasha, tell me about the heat right now. Tell me how the heat make you feel.
Right now, I feel like I'm walk naked in my birthday suit. I'm never afraid of COVID, but I'm afraid of the sun right now. I just imagine all the father.
My God, so come here, Sasha. You have AC in your yard?
Why me have a look at one fan in and it now go on with nothing.
My God.
So just imagine with never AC and just one fan. Me a burn up, I sleep naked every night.
So, but me hear one little style say you cannot put one bag of ice in front of your fan. You ever tried that?
No, I never tried that one. I forgot to try it then and see if it work.
You have to try it. So what you do to protect your skin in the sun? You drink water and I use
right
sunscreen?
True. No, I don't have sunscreen I use, but I drink water right through.
Alright, thank you so much, Sasha.
Yeah.
Alright.
Big up to me, COVID, not afraid of COVID.
Alright, so we are here with?
Christopher.
Huh?
Christopher.
Tell me about the heat. Where you cause a while ago?
Eat terrible, man. Terrible.
So hold on, you said eat terrible. So how much time a day you bathe?
3 times per day.
Wow. So that not run up water bill?
No, we have to pay water bill. Because we have river. Jump off.
So you never bathe in the show, you bathe in the river? So but say you drink your water, you drink your juice. And what kind of juice is? So that you do for combat the heat, and that you do for deal with the heat, drink juice?
Dry out, you have some soft sap back in your body, you know?
So other than that, what else you do for deal with the heat? You bathe regularly, you drink your juice?
If you look on some of the pan we have on the middle, we have to up the ground, because the ground hot. You understand me? We have to have store water.
Yeah.
We have water pan the ground and we up the whole around, the whole place hot, man.
Yeah.
Why we kill this heat for when we know.
Yeah. So me hear you have no AC or fan in your house?
No, sir. I just sleep at night time, because we don't go home, we don't pack up, we just stay around, sleep underneath, sir.
Yeah.
In the bed underneath, sir, there.
What? Alright, so we are here with?
Kenisha.
Good girl, Kenisha. So Kenisha, when me gonna ask you now, Kenisha, pretend say me are the sun, me are the heat, and angle me now, cuss me off. Tell me what that said to me as the heat.
Get back at me.
Yeah.
Demons. No, the heat are just something else. I don't know. I wonder nobody can lend me one fan or one AC.
So what you say now fan or AC I
don't have it.
So if you're not fan or AC, how you cope with the heat? What you
Sleep
do?
outside, girl. Right under the big mango, apple, guinea, breadfruit, any one of the three there.
No, stop.
Good girl, Kenisha, I realize say you want a hot girl and so forth. So when you put in all your ear and them something, you tell me say no sweat off. The whole of your edges
Look
gone.
on my head. Just look on my head.
Yeah.
I know I wear no ear.
Yeah.
And I look at all of it. I run up, independence, emancipation, barber.
Baba. I chop off your ear.
Right there, so.
It's unfortunate that people can change something that was just pure innocent fun.
One little birdie tell me say, what them doing at the heat, I do little dogs in because it kind of help them to take their mind off of the heat. You ever try that?
And some of them get crab louse.
Where's that?
Hotness and no, too
much hotness no for go together. You don't know what happened. That I go hot and the place hot. No.
Yeah, man. Hot.
Alright, so right about now we are here with
Diane.
Diane, where feel about the eating in Jamaica right now?
It's hot, you know, it's hot and I can't manage it, but guess what, I have to drink water. But we downtown, you know, we get to breeze, so not too bad, you know, but I tell you, when I go home, I don't know how I go manage.
So what you tell me say you have ACIA?
Don't ask me that, man. Don't you dare ask me that.
No, I can't afford it.
So hold on, say you're not a little Lasco fan or nothing like that either?
I'm fan, but right now I plan to buy one more.
You plan to buy one more, but if you buy one more, you don't feel so the light bill go raise?
Well, I don't know, we have to do something. Of course it's going to go up, but we have to cool down.
Alright, one more thing, Diane. What you do for deal with the heat other than drinking water? What else? You protect your skin and them something there?
Yeah, and then I sun me work every day, you know, so boy, I have to cover up.
Alright, so right about now we are here with
Omar Cousins.
Omar, the man will give me full name. So Omar, how you handle the heat now? Let me know how you feel about the heat. Let me help you.
You know, so I don't really feel no way with the heat though.
Yeah.
Because I got creation and anything God put forth, you just have to work with it though.
Oh my God! Wow!
Hold on, Omar. So you tell me say the heat not affect you, you tell me say the sun not hot?
No, that's why I have two big umbrellas, so you know really do me not at all.
Because I'm from God, I'm rich, life rich, progress rich.
Okay, alright. So the heat not affect you. You have ACIA yard, fan and them something there?
I have two big fun on my yard.
Oh, so I saw you deal with the heat.
I saw me deal with it, man.
Alright, so we are here with
Carrie.
Carrie, alright, good girl, Carrie. Carrie, I want to know how you feel about the eating now? How the eating make you feel?
It's a mad me.
It's a mad you. Explain now, what you mean?
Bad, can't sleep at the time. I come out of my house and walk up and down to get a little breeze. Bad.
So hold on, Carrie. You have to come out of your house. You don't have fun and like ACIA.
Yeah, but you can't help. So I have one hot. I know me a bun up.
So what you do for deal with it though? You drink your water and use sunscreen and them something there?
I'm afraid of beer ice water. Yeah. Sometimes I pour some on my face and water all my body and all these things.
Cool it with piece of ice. Alright, so we are here with
Sonny.
Johnny.
Sonny.
Oh, Sonny. Sorry about that. Some people may tell the honest truth. Sonny here a pay problem in Gimme. The man say I have to bill him spliff before him talk to him on camera. So Sonny, what I want to ask you? The spliff help you deal with the heat?
Yeah, of course. Better than rum.
So hold on. Rum help you deal with the heat too?
I know that's some of them middle road with. I know that the whole of the construction man them do drink rum and work. AC and fan and sell hard.
Oh, so AC and fan you sell?
Yeah.
So I want to ask you, have the sales increased?
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Since the summer?
Yeah, a lot.
Yeah.
Every day.
So that means that you have AC in your yard?
No.
Lord Jesus.
Alright, so we are here with
Tevin Smith.
Alright, Mr. Smith. Mr. Smith, I want to know how you feel about the sun now. How the sun and the heat make you feel?
I feel like me are dead, me hot. Can't take it.
So Tevin, what you do for deal with the heat? You have sun and AC in your yard and them something there?
I tie on ice pan fan and set one pan.
Hold on, so how that work? Tell me, because I feel like enough people at home right now want to know how the ice pan, the fan thing work. Tell me how it work.
Like, I hear about it from a friend.
Yeah.
You understand? So, it's ice from the fridge. You're going to get one bag, you're going to put in it, and you're going to tie it, and you're going to tie it pan the fan, but you're not going to make the card catch for shock, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're going to move the card, and you're going to set the pan, and then it does.
And that make the breeze from the fan cooler.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Alright, so we are here with Dan. Alright, so how the eat treat you? Let me know how you feel about it.
Eat alright.
Eat alright?
Yeah man, because I'm not too good now, so I just stay one place.
So hold on, Dan. You not believe so the Chapali them up here so give you an advantage?
Chapali, when the breeze blow, and yes, it just get cool and alright. So I'm not too good now, so.
So what you do for deal with the heat? You say you not go out in the sun. Anything else you do?
I don't do nothing else. More than just the one place.
Eh?
More than just the one place.
You just the one place, so hold on. When you go home, you have AC at your house? Fan. So you turn on the fan regularly more than usual?
Yeah, man.
So if you turn it on regularly, that means that the light bill will go up. So how your light bill look from the other day?
Alright, one day for me make it stay up, man.
I beg your pardon?
Alright, so we are here with
Alexis Ellis.
Alexis. Hey, the lady, I'll give me full name. Alright, Miss Alexis. Mama know how you feel about the sun right about now.
I'm feeling very, very hot right now. I have to be drinking like about 5 bottles of water.
This is crazy.
You sure I true you tell you drink 5 bottles of water every day?
Yes.
I lie you tell.
Up to my baby, she drink about 4 bottles of water.
Oh, so you have a young child, so how you really help the young child with the heat and them something there?
I have to have her underneath the fan for a while because she sweat really hard. Right now, I might have to go buy 1 water for her because she's very hot.
Yeah.
She can't sleep. She wants to sleep, but it's bothering her. She's very hot.
Yeah. So other than drinking a lot of water, what else you do for deal with the heat?
Lie down under the fan and try relax or find a cool shade.
Alright, so we are here with
Morris from downtown.
Morris from downtown. Hey, Morris, you have the vibe, you know?
Yeah.
Alright, Morris, someone ask you about the heat now. What do you feel about the current heat in Jamaica? It's the hottest ever.
Yes, it is, really for true. Because a couple of nights ago, I have 2 AC and still have to open the door them because it come like the AC isn't cooling the house properly. I'm wondering what is going on. But we still have to give thanks and praise. I haven't heard anybody die from it or sick or see anybody drop down. Still enjoying ourselves. Let us drink some water, man, and enjoy life same way. We're still in the best country same way, where we have a lot of green and a lot of cool breeze coming same way. So we still can enjoy. We better than a lot of country same way. So let us enjoy it same way. The heat, when it's hot, and when it's cool, it's still the best country to be in.
Yeah, man, but a while ago, you know, I get what you're saying, that's true, but a while ago you tell me say you have 2 AC. So what the light bill look like for you a month time?
Oh, no, don't even mention there.
My God.
It don't even mention there. I've been paying $21,000. You understand?
Per month?
Yeah, per month. From this month. I used to pay like, say, 16, and I see it gone to $21,000.
Since the summer start?
The summer start.
Yeah.
Because I have to double up. And the kids at home and everything, so it's more. It's getting worse. We wouldn't mind doing something better to get this current or this electricity down. Because it's very, very hard for us. Definitely.
Yeah. But you tell me earlier, say you drink water, you have AC at home and everything. What else are you doing to cover yourself from the sun and the heat?
Well, not a lot of walking. Just keep steady, one place, less dehydration, and enjoy the coolness when we can. I just stay in the lane here, where I sell downtown at the big tree, and I have my little store in the lane, Peter's Lane. I can tell you, sometimes we enjoy a lot of coolness in the lane, so we don't feel until we reach home. You understand? You can feel the coolness now? Coming from off the seabed. You understand me? So, still enjoying it.
So you tell me, say the Chapalin want to have up here, so I will have to protect you from the sun.
From the sun. Yeah, so we're still enjoying life down in town here. So you can come down and shop with us whenever you want to, okay?
All right, yes, come down and shop with us. Tell me about what you have right here, so what go on right here, so?
Well, most sneakers we sell for man and for ladies and shoes. We have some jeans to clothes and all those things there.
Watch it. Yeah. Welcome, people. This was yet another lovely episode of Answer This. You heard it here in the streets. Some people believe that I'm grateful for the sun because of God's creation, while some people believe that the sun hot and I can't take it no more right now. I feel like I want to strip naked. But Berrydos, let me know what you think down in the comment section below. I am your host, Daindra Harrison, and right about now, I am signing out. Bye, guys. The place at bad. I'll start it back again. That's the thing.
3, 2, 1, go.
Yes. Alright, thanks. Oh, hold on, Kenisha. Sorry, me just go fast in your business. No, hold on. Me I go make you say that thing about Kenisha. I have one more question for her.
Check me down, mother. Ah, size, mother. Watch your bargain. Watch your deal now. And them are cheap now. And them are nice now.
So when me go where you do, I look on the camera and say box cover.
box cover.
Yeah, man.
Man turbo, the girl them motor. Load it, ready again.
Alright, thanks. Big up yourself.
Respect.
Big up yourself.
Alright, so tell about where you have out here so now there.
Well, I was working, all I clothes them there, so I have nice dress, all the hot clothes, the ladies there.
As a God's creation.
Yeah, straight.
Yeah, man. Alright, thanks so much. Big up yourself, yeah?
Big up yourself more.
Yeah, man, alright.
Big up yourself.
Alright, thank you. Big up yourself, man. Yeah, man.
Big up cameraman. And the second?
DuttyBerry. Yeah. Yeah, box cover. Say with me. Let's say together. 1, 2, 3. Box cover. More you look on the camera, more you say box cover.
Box cover.
Right.